An accordion book, also known as a leporello book, has a long, deep, rich global history. They originated in Asia, but they've been used to show art, children's stories, and even in the Victorian era, they would be a memorabilia to show a place that someone had been, a big, long, beautiful landscape. They can be displayed upright, like a series of panels in a gallery. And then they can be closed to create a very compact carrying book. There's so many ways to be creative with this art book hybrid. One thing you might do is create a memory book. To create an accordion book, fold any rectangle of paper in half lengthwise. Take your time to fold it very evenly so that when you slowly cut a very straight cut across the fold, these two papers will be the same size and shape. You'll then need to attach those two halves end to end. I used a glue stick here, and I overlap and press firmly only when I see that the two papers are lined up in a very straight way. You'll want to overlap at least 1/2 inch, and you'll want to give this a lot of time to dry before you do the next step. You can see here I didn't give it quite enough time, and so I struggled a little bit with this next step, which is to fold the paper in half. If you have time to stop and do some planning for your book and let it really dry, that's always best. Once I've folded the whole length in half, I can then continue making folds. I'm not worried about which direction the folds are going right now. I just want to find the exact places where I can keep folding the paper in half to get the folds in the correct places and have a very evenly folded book. Once the book is completely folded, I can go back and make sure that it is indeed making an accordion, making sure each fold goes back and forth, back and forth. Then I can use my fingernail or something hard like the handle of my scissors to really deeply score all of those folds. Next, it's time to make a cover. There are many ways to do this, but one simple way is to find a heavy paper that you can trace the shape of your book onto. I use the corner to make sure that everything will be very straight. Then I use my scissors to carefully cut on the line. This cover is just going to be slightly larger than the shape of the page itself. I'm going to use a glue stick to carefully adhere and press a cover onto the front and then onto the back. Then you can have fun writing and illustrating in your book. In this memory book of elementary years, I used one page for each grade level, and then I even used some pages in the back for things like art, music, and PE. Have fun creating your accordion book.